If you want to know how to transfer data from Samsung to iPhone, please check this video. Way 1. How to transfer data from Samsung to iPhone with Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. 1. Download and install Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer, then launch it. Connect both Samsung and iPhone to the computer via USB cables. Please install the latest iTunes version for recognizing iPhone. Tap Trust from the pop-up window and the iPhone can be quickly recognized by the software. Make sure the USB debugging on Samsung is enabled. 2. After connecting successfully, make sure your Samsung phone is on the source phone side while your iPhone is on the destination phone side. If not, please click Flip to change the two devices' position. 3. Choose data type and click Start Copy. After a few seconds of processing, Samsung to iPhone transfer will be finished. Way 2. How to transfer from Samsung to iPhone with Move to iOS app. 1. Go to Google Play Store to download and install Move to iOS on your Samsung phone. 2. Navigate to App and Data on your iPhone and select Move Data from Android. Continue. 3. Launch the app on Samsung phone and continue by clicking in sequence. Continue, agree, next, find your code. 4. On Samsung phone, enter the 6 or 10-digit code appeared on iPhone to pair with. 5. Select the files on your Samsung phone and tap Next. 6. After the loading bar finishes on iPhone, tap Done on Samsung phone. B2 Music, books, and PDFs need to be transferred manually. 7. Finish Samsung to iPhone transfer. Way 3. How to switch from Samsung to iPhone with Google account. 1. Sign in your Google account on your Samsung phone. Go to Setting, Add Account. Google enables Sync Contacts. Then your Samsung contacts will be backed up to Google. 2. On your iPhone, go to Setting, Accounts and Passwords. Add account. Select Google. Sign in the same Google account used on your Samsung phone. Enable contacts. A few seconds later, all your contacts will be switched from Samsung to iPhone. Way 4. How to transfer data from Samsung to iPhone with iTunes. 1. Use a USB cable to connect your Samsung phone to a Windows computer or Mac and enable USB debugging by choose Me TP or transfer files. 2. Go to My Computer, find Samsung device, select Photos, drag or copy to a new folder on your computer desktop. 3. Connect your iPhone to the computer by inserting a USB cable, open iTunes and click your iPhone photos, choose folder sync. 4. Finish Samsung to iPhone transfer. Way 5. How to transfer from Galaxy to iPhone with Dropbox. 1. Register a Dropbox account on Dropbox official website. 2. Download and install Dropbox on both devices. 3. Sign in Dropbox on Galaxy phone and upload files from your Galaxy phone. 4. Sign in Dropbox on iPhone and download.